Thanks for tuning in to Horseshoeing Solutions, where we take the guesswork out of horseshoeing. If you're a horseshoer and you're working with a owner and a veterinarian, or someone recommends a collateral ligament shoe, what is it and what is it for? So a collateral ligament shoe on the side of each joint. So if you have a joint on your knuckle, this is more the horse's point. Each side of the joint, there's a little ligament. It's called the collateral ligament, and that holds the joint from side to side, opening like this. So if your joint opens this way, if you work on the side, to prevent the joint from opening up all the way on the side, you've got a small little joint right here called a ligament, collateral ligament. So what you need to do, if you've got a collateral ligament going on, you need to work on building a horseshoe that's thicker on one side than the other. And the reason for that is because you don't want the side with the collateral ligament which is on the side of the joint, as the horse moves, as they turn left or right, that joint opens and closes. There's one on each side of the foot. So where the collateral ligament strain is or tear or needs some improvement, you want to have a thicker side shoe than the other side. That's so that this side of the shoe, for surface area, doesn't sink in as far as this side. Figure it like a lady wearing a pair of high heels. The high heels, this one, that little heel is going to sink into the ground more compared to if she was wearing her flats. If she was wearing her flats, it's going to stay more on the surface. But if she's wearing a high heel, that high heel is going to sink into the ground because it's smaller in surface area than this side. So when you put a wider shoe on one side than the other, that allows this side with the wider shoe to not sink in as far as this one. So in other words, the joint doesn't open and close, the collateral ligament doesn't open and close as much. So it's just to help recovery is what it is, so that soft tissue can heal. So collateral ligament shoe, run a little bit wider on one side than the other. That's just going to help keep the joint from opening so much as the horse turns. That's the ticket. So collateral ligaments, they just have to heal, but as a horseshoer, you want to stay balanced. You want to support the foot, make sure that your toe is back, and then you want to support on the outside, whatever that ligament is. It's either the lateral side or the medial side. So thanks for tuning in. Collateral ligaments, they're fun to work on.